Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, my students. Today, inshallah, we have a new sound. Okay, we are going to work in sounds and spelling book. So, our learning objectives for today, we are going to identify a new sound. Then, we are going to recognize the sound in words. We are going to make a circle for the sound. Then, you are going to write the sound in 4 lines. Okay? Number 4, you are going to blend and segment sounds to make a word. Okay, my students? Good. Now, as a warm up, let's turn this wheel, and you are going to name the sound. Okay, my students, are you ready? Let's start. What is it? What's this? Very good. Yes, what's this? P. Very good. Yes? Very good, my students. Last, what is it? Pronouns. Very good. Okay, my students. Now, I want you to read this word. Okay? First, name the sounds here. T, a, p, h. Tab. Very good. Now, the second one. M, a, h. Can you read it? Man. Great. Huh. Look here. S, I, t, sit. Excellent. P, a, t, pat. Very good. Now it's time to identify the new sound for today. Listen to my story. Look here. In a very small house, there was a little boy. His name is Haytham. Haytham. Haytham used to help his dad in the garden. He used to feed the hens. Hens. He used to help his dad to feed the hens. Haytham said to his dad, "Daddy, look, the rabbit took a carrot from our garden. It hops very fast. I can't catch it." His dad said, "It's okay, my little boy. It's only one carrot." Then Haytham said, "Daddy, the weather today is very hot. May I ride my horse and go under our hill?" Okay, and go behind our hill with my friends? His dad said, "Okay, Haytham, you can go." So today we have the sound. Okay, now let's see the action of this sound. Okay, my students, now stand up and I want you to hop. Do the action of the sound. Hop, hop. Okay, now listen and repeat. I want you to listen to these words and please repeat. Okay, are you ready? Listen.
Unit 2, recording 2.12. Look, listen, and repeat. House,
House,
hot,
hot,
hill,
hill,
horse,
horse,
hen,
hen,
hop,
hop. Okay, my students, so we have house, hill, horse, hot, hen, hop. Okay, now listen and chant.
Unit 2, recording 2.13. Listen and chant.
Okay, now let's chant.
Unit 2, recording 2.14.
Okay,
Now
it's your
you
turn.
chant.
House, hot, hill, house, hen, hop. Okay, so today we have the sound.
Unit 2.
Now, look here. We are going to recognize the sound here in words. So here we are going to find and circle say. Okay, look here. What do we have? What is it, my students? House. Very good. So where is? Yeah, so circle the sound. Look at, look at Jack. What he's doing. Hub. Okay, so you are going to circle the sound. Look at this. What do we have here? Hill. So where's the sound? Yes, the first one. Very good. Now look here. We are going to write the sound. Let's write the sound. Down, down, up, round, down, flick. Okay, so we will start from line number 1. Here, today, we are going to deal with this place. Okay, look, line number 1, because we have long stick here. So we will start from line number 1. Down, down, till number 3, then up, hold your pencil, round, down, flick. Okay, now can you write it? Can you write with your finger? Yes. On air. Down, down, up, round, down, flick. Very good. Now let's do more practice. I want you to write the sound in your book. Okay, first trace this one, then you have to write it here. Start from this dot. Okay, now look at task number 5. Look and write. Look at Fatma here. She said the weather is hot. Very good. So here what is missing? The sound. So we are going to write the sound. And here, look, what do we have here? Hen, hen. So we are going to write the sound. Okay, my students? Good. Now let's blend these sounds to make a word. Ah, t. What is it? Can you read it? Hat. Very good. What does it mean? What does it mean, hat? Yes, this one is hat. Look, this is hat. Second one, huh? It, huh? Hit. Very good. Look at this word, hit. Now, let's do this task in your book. Task number 6. Listen and repeat. Okay, so listen and repeat the word. Then you are going to write it here.
Unit 2, recording 2.15. Listen and repeat. Trace and say. 1. Ha, a,
Ah,
t,
ta,
hat.
hat.
2.
Number 2.
Ha, I,
I,
t, hit.
hit. Okay, so a, t, ha, hat. Very good. So you are going to write the word hat here in lines. Okay, then we have it, he, hit. Very good. Okay, my students.
Unit 2.
So that's, look here, the last one. Can you read it? A, map. S, a, t, s, a, t, sat. Very good. So that's all for today. Goodbye.